following areas in Connecticut, northern Litchfield and southern Litchfield. Blizzard warning in effect from 1 p.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 1 p.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: Litchfield County. Hazard types: heavy snow with blowing and drifting snow. Snow accumulations: 20 to 30 inches. Maximum snowfall rates: 2 to 4 inches per hour.
Wow, 20 to 30
Snow will
inches?
overspread the region from southwest to northeast Monday afternoon and will continue heavy at times Monday night into Tuesday, before gradually tapering off late Tuesday night. Impacts: extremely dangerous and life-threatening. Travel conditions due to snow-covered roadways and severely reduced visibility. Blowing and drifting snow will make most roads impassable. Whiteout conditions are expected Monday night into Tuesday morning. Winds north 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Temperatures in the teens to lower 20s. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
I bet a high wind warning will follow this. Yep. Guess it was another blizzard warning. Jinxed it. This might be for Hartford and any other counties.
For the following areas in Connecticut, Hartford, Talent, and Wyndham.
Called it.
Blizzard warning in effect from 7 p.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 7 p.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: portions of central Massachusetts as well as northern Connecticut. Hazard types: heavy snow, strong winds, and blizzard conditions. Considerable blowing and drifting.
That was another double-headed blizzard warning.
Snow accumulations of around 20 to 30 inches with locally higher amounts. Rates of 2 to 4 inches an hour at times. Timing: while the storm is expected late Monday lingering into early Wednesday, the worst of the storm will be Monday night through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts will result in whiteout blizzard conditions with near zero visibility. Travel will be impossible and life-threatening across the entire region. Also, snow may be wet enough to result in downed tree limbs and power outages in addition to the winds. Winds north-northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts around 35 to 45 miles per hour. The height of the winds will be late Monday night into Tuesday. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour are expected with considerable falling and or blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. All unnecessary to safely reach their destination before the heavy snow begins and to allow snow removal equipment to begin to clear roads.
And I bet a high wind warning will possibly follow this.
For the following areas in New Jersey, Hudson, Eastern Essex.
Guess not.